Hey, this is Ashley from RecPro. Have you ever been using your griddle or other item that uses a propane line, specifically from a 1 pound propane cylinder? But you've been on a really long camp out, you don't want to keep going to the camp store to get that 1 pound cylinder, and you want to use a 20 or a 30 pound propane cylinder. Well, in order to connect those two, you can use this right here. This is a Blackstone propane adapter hose with regulator, the product code for which is RP-2244. Now this adapts a 1 pound propane bottle griddle to a 20 or 30 pound propane tank. This hose right here, it extends your cooking time with using a larger fuel source, and it also allows you to not take as many breaks to try and get more. You can just keep one, keep going, and it is a lot easier that way. The hose is made of durable rubber and it extends to a 3-foot length. As you can see right here, it's pretty long. While not getting in the way, it's not gonna be like a tripping hazard. It's not gonna get in the way of your cooking. So this also works with multiple Blackstone griddle and grill models, but specifically we use it for our 17-inch and 22-inch tabletop griddles. So if you wanna know more about this, you can click the link below, then like, comment, and subscribe. And remember, when you're rolling down the road, roll with RecPro.